Mm-mm-mm. Hey guys, Kelly here, and I want to share with you a really cool marketing strategy that you might not be aware of you can do. Client retention is one of those things that as agents, we need to do at a high level. I mean, referrals are unbeatable. When you get a referral, you're not normally competing with other agents, right? And if you're a new agent, I know there's not a lot of referrals, but I want to just share with you some things you could be doing right now. And it doesn't necessarily have to be for referrals. You could include this strategy on geo-farming specific neighborhoods. Now, those of you that follow me know that I'm a big proponent of Facebook ads, Google pay-per-click ads, YouTube ads, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to be dropping content in the next couple months on how you can build out your YouTube channel. I'm beta testing some things right now, and I hope to have some great results and be able to share this with you guys in the next couple months to help you start getting organic leads coming through a channel that gets billions of hours of views a month watched, right? Let me go ahead and turn off my phone because I don't want that to interrupt me. There we go. So what I want to do is talk about how you can do a very simple direct mail campaign to any neighborhood and do it for like a 12-month drip, and literally it's done for you, right? So imagine finding a neighborhood where you can farm, and instead of sending out just tons and tons of direct mail that's like, hey, do you want to list with me? How about every once in a while just send them a recipe card? On the back of it, it'll have your branding, your name, and maybe drop a little offer out there. Hey, if you want to find out what's going on in your neighborhood, if you want to find out how much profit you would make in this insane market, just call or text the ninja, right? Subtle hints going into the mailbox of potential home sellers, but this keeps you top of mind. It literally helps you become the dominant agent in any neighborhood. Now watch this, guys. When I log into my Mailbox Power, I'm going to run down here to, let me find Design Catalog. We're going to go to Industries, and I'm going to drop right down to Real Estate, and I'm going to look at their done-for-you cards. Now, I create my own cards. I've got a graphic designer, but check this out. These are cards literally done for you. You can purchase at a very inexpensive price. And let me go down. Here we go. Look at this. Here's one for real estate recipes. Now, this one you can buy for $13.99. They also have a free one, right? Here's one for the first year to 12 months. So watch this. If I click that and I want to buy it, I can buy the entire collection of cards for 13 bucks. Again, they also have one that's free, but here's one for $13, right? Once I purchase it, I own it. I can use it as many times as I want. And guys, this would be like month one card. Look at this. It's got a recipe on it. You're sending this to a client. Now, more than likely, they're going to look at this and they're probably going to appreciate it, right? And on the back of the card, it's already got pre-written information. Let me go back to the card. There we go. Dear Tim, blah, 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 right? It's already done for you. And guys, if you use a company like this card is free. You just pay the 40 cent in postage. So let's say you geo-farm a neighborhood, and let's say you find, I don't know, you find 50 or 100 or 200 of the most opportune buy or sellers in that neighborhood. So you go to a neighborhood and you find everybody that has been in their home for 7 years, has this much equity. That is the client you want to do this to. Now, if you can afford to do the whole neighborhood, knock yourself out. I like to target specific homeowners for this program. But again, guys, something very simple. A recipe postcard drip campaign. See, a lot of you hadn't thought about that. You're thinking, let me send an EDDM and blast a neighborhood, or let me target people and just send them 1 or 2 cards a month about, hey, do you want to know your home value? Well, all of that's good. This is kind of a ninja, like that sneaky tactic. You're coming in with something of value, and on the back of the card, you're branding yourself. And guys, I can see, like okay, nobody's ever done this in my neighborhood. If an agent were to send me postcards with recipes on it, I'm going to keep those. I love getting recipes. We've got the Ninja. We've got crock pots. I love getting recipes, right? And so if some real estate agent did that and I were a homeowner, I would probably remember them. And if I were going to list my home, right, I'm probably going to think about reaching out and saying, hey, you've been sending me these. So again, guys, just another quick way of being able to stay top of mind. So if you're interested, now, guys, there are several different direct mail platforms out there. By the way, do you like I'm in my new office. I'm setting up my new office right now. I'll be sharing some of these amazing views in the very near future. Going to be setting up, doing a lot of video training in here. But guys, if you're interested, go find you a direct mail platform if you don't like Mailbox Power. Mailbox Power, guys, I've used them all. Let me just put this plug in. It's the best that I've ever used. They've got a program that you can start at $49 a month, and you can send unlimited for free 4x6 cards. They've got another program that if you're going to use this to the level that you should, depending on how many closings you want, for $149 a month, you get free 4x6, free 5.5 by 8.5, a 200 free 5x7s, more than pays for itself. If you want information, if you want a free trial, somewhere on this video, either above it or below it, I'll go ahead and drop you a 14-day free trial. Either get the pro plan or the executive plan and start setting up yourself for success. The last thing I'm going to say, your emails are being opened about 8 to 10% of the time. A lot of your phone calls when you cold call are showing up as scam, but direct mail literally is opened and seen 100% of the time. Your job, should you undertake it, is to make sure you're putting good information in front of that prospect, not just generic. Guys, I got postcards from real estate agents where the whole back of the card is totally blank. They never even bother putting anything on it. The front of the card has this pretty picture of a beautiful agent, right? And hey, do you want your home value? The market's great, right? That crap ain't hunting no more. You got to be ninja. You got to be strategic, right? I hope this made sense. Drop me some comments. Depending on where I place this, it'll probably be on YouTube. It'll be on Facebook, whatever. Let me know your thoughts. But this is a ninja stealth tactic that is very inexpensive to get you into the prospect's hands by delivering something of value. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Go ahead and drop me comments. Let me know what you think about this. And have a great, great day. More videos coming in my new office. All right, guys, have a great day.